Hello, welcome to my channel. Anywhere you are watching from, you are welcome to the Stellar e-commerce network. You are welcome to the Stellar platform. So as you can see here, we have a whole lot of ebook you can get from Stellar. So as you can see, we have a whole lot of book. So name is any kind of book you need, you will get from this platform, from the e-commerce platform. As you can see all the varieties of book we have. There are so many that we have, from ways to finance, to business, contest and media, professional, arts and craft, marketing and sale, and so many of them, software and tech, faith, home and office, electronics and gadgets, and automobile, health, fitness, love and relationship, health and beauty, fashion and wears, sports and game, baby, so on. So these are all the courses we have. These are all the ebooks we have under all these aspects. So you will get any variety of books in next from this Stellar platform. So I've already made so many videos because I want to make some review again on most of the video that I've made before. So now we move on to the S and BC here. So as you can see, there are so many books under here, but I make a video on how to make a soap, and I want to just make another preview or review video on it. So as you can see, soap making master course for beginner, cold process soap making. So we only have one review, and the author of the book, Juliana, let me say, a singer. So we check here like this. As you can see, we view the details by clicking to check. So I will first play the video for you to watch what the author of the book have for you.
Course for people hoping to become professional.
So
it is a 7-module course, and in each course we take you step by step from the for people hoping. In this course, welcome to the soap making master course. In this course, I give you the knowledge, the tools and the skills to take your soap making journey to the next level. This is a soap making course for people hoping to become professional soap makers. It is a 7-module course, and in each course we take you step by step from the basics of cold process soap making all the way to the advanced. We have a total of 24 videos explaining the various stages of soap making. At the end of the day, you will learn how to formulate your own soap recipes. You will learn how to substitute oils. You will learn and understand the fatty acid profiles of each oil and its impact in soap making. You will also learn how to add additives such as turmeric, activated charcoal, and clays and all those good stuff into your soap. We also give you a 10 free recipe ebook where you can formulate your own soaps. If you are a beginner soap maker or an intermediary, or someone who has even been making soap for some time, this course is for you. We give you all the tools to excel in cold process soap making. So join now.
So as you can see, that's in the video of the author of the book talking on the products. This is a good product for you to guess. As you can guess a good review. So she said you will get 24 videos for guardians to the course when you get the course. So it's very good for businesswomen that are looking up to improve their business. You can start making your own soap and selling it. So there's no much review I can review from what she have said, but let's go through some of the readings here. So as you can see, it said soap making master course for beginners. Course process soap code process make soap making. The course is designed for people looking to learn how to make soap, or people who already have an idea of how to make soap, make code process soap, and want to take their skills to an advanced level. We have over 24 videos in this course that will take you from a novice to an advanced soap maker in the shortest possible time. We give you the knowledge, skills, and the skills to not only know how to make soap, but how to make commercially appealing soap for the target markets. In this course, we will take you through how to make basic soap to advanced soaps. You will learn the basic in soap making. You will learn how to influence your soap, the fatty acid provides of oil, and how to put all together to get your desired soap for your target markets. You will learn and so on and so on. So as you can see, if you read this down, you will see the same thing that she have already talk in the video. You learn how to formulate our own soap recipe and so on. She have already talked all about this in the video. So as you can see, so we have the course context here. So module 1, we have the introduction. So module 1 basic safety precautions. Module 1 2 soap making containers versus module 1 3 soap making mode. Module 1 4 soap making equipment called downloadable materials. So module 2 we have how to use a soap calculator, how to make in water, how to effectively mix your butters. So assignment 1. So module 3 we have how to make coconut oil soap, how to make shea butter soap, difference between these two soap oils. So fatty acid profile of soap called downloadable. So we have module 4 things to consider before you begin making soap, how to make shea cocoa soap paste, how to make shea cocoa soap paste called downloadable. Module 5 how to come up with your own soap recipe, how to substitute oil in any soap recipe. Module 6 how to make turmeric and neem soap, how to make turmeric and neem soap part 2, how to make turmeric and neem soap part 3, part 4. So we have the maintenance clean and activated charcoal soap part 1, maintenance clean and activated cocoa soap 2, and part 3 downloadable. So module 7 why you should cure your soap, how to calculate essential oils for your soap, how to salvage your soap when you encounter a bad fragrance oil. So that's all. And also we also have one review here. Genevieve Sam, this beginner soap making course has been brilliant. I have learned a lot and the material and the resources are fantastic. I feel Juliana has taken her time to introduce the models and models context. I also feel the course has been reasonable price and definitely value for money. I have really enjoyed this and I will definitely recommend. So that's all. The course is 53,905 naira in Nigeria money. So that's all. So the price is nothing as far you have the experience and you can make a soap and she delivers and you make profits. You will even make more money than what you spend. So that's the main point. Making money is the main point. There is nothing that is free in life. If you want to learn, you invest in your private self and improve your income. So that's all about the soap making. Hurry up and get the course. So that's all I want to say. So I will drop the link under the comment section. There are also other link to other ebooks that I will drop so many of them under the comment section. Check and join my channel, subscribe to my channel to see more review of all the courses because I have already made the videos on all the courses. So you will check the review before you make your payments. So that's all for now. Like, share, subscribe to my channel. Thank you.